This is Rise of the Resistance. Which way to look for the house?
We're gonna go straight down this pathway all the way straight. We're gonna walk straight through the marketplace and see the coffee and the right there.
Friends, if you're ready to scan, we have multiple scanners open as well. And then friends, you go and tap your magic bands right here. Awesome.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Ground crew, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for Pokhara.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure rod. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'm looking at some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Time to split up into the units. Keep your units together. Utilize both sides of the corridor. Keeping your units all together on the same side you choose. Same side, same unit. Make it quick, make it count, move along.
TIE traffic, now diverting to bays 3Q and S. Work on deck support will augment adjacent teams.
Forward to the right, to the end of the hallway.
How many in your unit? 4, you'll be on orange. All 4 on orange. How many in the next unit? 4, you'll be on gray. First 4 on orange. Shift over, make room for all 4 of you on the color. Alright, you have been given a color. Stand on your color with both your feet, shoulder to shoulder, side by side. Take this opportunity to look down at your color and commit it to memory. Memorize your color. It will be important for your long-term stay. You're the finalizer. If you forget your color, well, let's just say that will be bad for you. What color are you standing on? What color are you standing on? Your transmissions will never reach the resistance. Red and blue, step in and find your color on the cell floor. Orange and gray, follow, find your color on the cell floor.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
With the resistance, we're your rescue. Let's go. Find your assigned colors. Blue and red. To the left. Red and orange.
Su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos en sus...
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo list, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Road droid. You're lucky I didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, go to the person. We are reaching into one.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
Detention on bridge. Prisoners will see an entity. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! Descend by the force! Sit down!
Any movement to mobilization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
Our brave will ultimately help us. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the main cannons!
escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure.